So now let's see how we can go ahead and create a calendar event inside of Thunderbird. So over here, I am in the calendar view of Thunderbird, and I access the calendar by going on to the calendar section right here. So let's say I want to go ahead and create an event. In that case, I can simply double click on a particular date right here. Let's say, for example, and then simply name the calendar. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say sample event right here, just like this. If I were to go around over here, I can choose the timing of the event right here, just like this as well, and then click on save and close, and you can see that this event is here. You can expand out the event right here and place it wherever you want as well. Apart from that, you can also click on new event right here and then choose the date. Let's say, for example, I'm going to select October 23 right here, and then I'm going to say sample event 2. Let's say, for example, and then just go around, choose the timing right here of the event, and then click on save and close. And this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can create a calendar event using Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.